Hello, my wonderful, beautiful keto friends. I am making cannoli dip today, part 2 of my 4-part holiday presentation series. I made beautiful pizzelle. You can see them dusted with powdered allulose here. Well, sometimes you don't want just a pizzelle. You want something on it or in it. I even made one like a taco that I'm going to try and fill with my cannoli dip and see if I can eat that without getting it all over my face, which we know is not going to happen. It's not possible. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm RJ, a keto over 50. And I am going to make a cannoli dip for you, which you can use with your pizzelle. You can use with chaffles. I've dragged fresh strawberries through this. It's wonderful. I made a mistake. I did not know they made espresso mascarpone, the sweet cheese that is in this. I can't believe I opened it up and I thought it's 0 carbs because it's still cheese, even though it's a little sweet. But I opened it up and I thought, oh, that's gone bad. It wasn't. It was brown, all right, but that's because it's espresso mascarpone. So I'm going to just blend all these ingredients together, and I will have the recipe for you in the description. This is 7 ounces of ricotta, the other cheese. I forgot what I had. And then this is 1.25 cups of powdered, I used allulose. You can use whatever alternative, I don't want to say artificial, whatever alternative sweetener you want to use. I used allulose, and let me tell you something. I was out of powdered allulose. So I used my NutriBullet, which is why it's over here drying. I used my NutriBullet, and I put 1.5 cups of granular allulose on that. And that was it. That was easy. And I made my own powdered allulose. I never buy it anymore. I just make it myself. And then you want 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I like a lot of that. Now, this is interesting. The recipe says you can put in some grated orange zest. It was not specific as to how much. And I didn't have any orange zest. So I had a lemon. So I grated a lemon, and then I took a paper towel and I put a few drops of orange extract on it, and then put the lemon, it's just a little bit. I put the lemon zest on the paper towel so it could absorb some of the orange, because I don't think lemon would be the best flavor for this. And I'm not a big fan of extracts either. So I'm just using about probably 1/2 teaspoon of mock orange zest, we'll call it. It's 1/2 cup. Now the recipe calls for mini sugar-free chocolate chips. I had these from Lily's, and they're high test. They're the regular size. So good. So 1/2 cup of those, and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And the recipe says if it's too thick, add heavy whipping cream. If it's too thin, add a little more sweetener. That's it. Those are the ingredients. So let's mix them up. I think this is too thin. Maybe I didn't dry the ricotta enough. I just poured the liquid off the top of it because it said dried ricotta. So I am going to do what the recipe calls for. If it's too thin, and add a little more sweetener. What could be bad? A little more sweetener, right? Excellent. And I'm going to take this 1 heaping tablespoon at a time, starting with 2. Okay. Two made it a little bit better. I'm going for a 1/3, maybe a 1/4. It's supposed to be sweet, and you really can't make it too sweet with the allulose. Okay, we're going to scrape down the sides as always. And look at that. You know what it looks like? Like a cake batter. pretty much like that. I chose this one. I know it looks like cat food, like how you serve cat food, right? No cat walks away from this. I'm not going to say the name brand, but imagine you have a dinner party or guests or a buffet set out for the holidays. Imagine, make it beautiful, make it perfect. Okay, so everybody at your event gets a little dish like this, almost like mousse. And now they get the fabulous pizzelle to dunk in it. And I have one here from my pizzelle video. They're crispy, they're dusted, like snow fell on them. I'm really curious about the espresso flavored mascarpone. I hope that enhances it like a tiramisu flavor. It's lovely. I can't wait for you to taste this. If you have a sweet tooth like I do, and you've been on keto for a while and you're looking for those treats that are really going to make you roll your eyes and not miss anything from your old life, this is it. Keto Cannoli Dip on these fabulous pizzelle. Don't you love an easy recipe where it's put all the ingredients in the bowl and blend it? That was it. The only thinking I had to do was to add this sweetener afterwards. It's just crazy when it's that simple. All right, I know you want me to try this, right? He just broke in half. I'm never going to be able to eat this without getting it everywhere. So let me go ahead before I take a bite. Oh, this is scary. And thank you for joining me. I'm RJ for Keto Over 50. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm also now on X at Keto Over 50, and you can follow my post there. I'll be posting more. I'll be sharing these videos from YouTube, but I'll also be sharing some other content there. And I only have one subscriber. I just launched it today, so please join me at Keto Over 50 if you're on X. I would really love to see your comments there and share what I'm going to post there. A lot of inspiration too. So thank you for joining me. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Here we go. I'm scared. That is such a good cookie. Wow. Thank you so much for joining me on Keto Over 50. I'm RJ. Stay beautiful. And I love you. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.